So we're learning about the doubling rule. The doubling rule is one of 3 rules that we use for adding suffixes to base words. Something we do need to remember is what a vowel is. Just a little reminder, the A, E, I, O, U. Listen carefully to these words and put your thumb up as you listen and if you hear a 1-syllable word. Okay, so run, bat, walking, plot, stir, happy. Yes, you're right. These words had 1 syllable. Run, bat, plot, stir. Walking and happy both have 2 syllables. Have a look at each of these words again, the words with 1 syllable. How many consonants do you see at the end of each word right after the vowel? Remember, a consonant is not a vowel. So let's have a look at run. Okay, so we can see the vowel here is U, and there is 1 consonant. The vowel is A, there is 1 consonant. The vowel is O, there is 1 consonant. The vowel is I, there is a consonant of R. Now have a listen to these suffixes. Okay, we've got ing, id, ur, li, ment, s, n, y, and full. So those are all suffixes, and remember a suffix is goes on to the end of onto the end of a base word, and it does change its meaning slightly. So today we're going to learn the new spelling rule, and it's called the doubling rule. This rule will tell us when we should double the final letter of a base word before adding a vowel suffix, like in the word winning. It tells us why there are 2 N's in winning when we only hear 1. Okay, can you see the doubling rule? It's explained here. Step 1, is the base word 1 syllable? Does the base word have 1 syllable? Have 1 vowel? Does the base word end in 1 consonant? And does the suffix begin with a vowel? So let's have a look at winning. Okay, so the base word is win, and the suffix is ing. So step 1, is the base word 1 syllable? Win. Yes, it is. Let's put a tick beside that. Does the base word have 1 vowel? The vowel is I, so yes. Does the base word end in 1 consonant? Yes, it ends in the N. Does the suffix begin with a vowel? Yes, the suffix begins with I. So we now know that we have to double the last consonant. So we have winning. Okay, let's try it again with running. So the base word is run. Okay, does the base word have 1 syllable? Yes. So we can tick that. Does the base word have 1 vowel? Yes, just U. Does the base word end in 1 consonant? Yes, it just has run. And then does the suffix, which remember is the end of the word, or the ending here, does it begin with a vowel? Yes, it begins with I, so the word then is running, and we double the N. Let's have another look. Stir. Okay, is the base word 1 syllable? Stir. Yes, it is. So put a tick here. Does the base word have 1 vowel? Does it? You have a look at it pointed out. It does, it's the I. Does the base word end in 1 consonant? Yes, it ends with the R, stir. And does the suffix begin with a vowel? Yes, here's the suffix, and it starts with I. So yes, so we now know to double the R and ing. Okay, our last example is shipment. Okay, so we need to know, do we double the P? So first of all, is the base word 1 syllable? Ship. Yes, it is. Does the base word have 1 vowel? Yes, the vowel is I, so give that a tick. Does the base word end in 1 consonant? Yes, it ends with P. Give that a tick. Does the suffix begin with a vowel? Meant. No, it doesn't. This begins with a consonant, so our word does not double the P, it just adds our suffix. Okay, so this is how we can decide whether or not we need to double our consonants or not.